Hey everyone, welcome to Making and Fixing. Today I'm gonna change this nylon mesh to this metal mesh. So we have 5 openings over on this side of the wall. Over down here the rat has made a hole and came through the nylon mesh. It also dig a bit of the concrete on the bottom there. And I just placed the cardboard to keep the rats out temporarily until I could get the metal mesh, which is over here. So I've done for the 2 on this side. Now let's get this 3 done today. So I just wanted to mention how this is made. This is just a PVC strip my dad has put up. My dad did this. So how it's attached to the concrete and the brick is that you just drill a hole into the concrete and also the brick, put a dowel inside, and he attached this PVC strip with just nails. So the mesh has some holes in it. This is a pretty old mesh. I'm gonna use it anyways. I just cut a piece out to go all the way across, and I'm just gonna staple it in.